Toa simu! Toa simu! Toa simu wewe! Oh yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, haya, wacha tufanye hivi. Majembe na mbavu, ati mnasema aje? Ati mnasema aje? Judges, mmesikia? Judges, mmesikia? Haya. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce Mbavu Destroyer. I want to introduce Mbavu Destroyer. Ladies and gentlemen, haya, wacha mshikadau akuje. Give me that mic. Haya.
Irudiwe isirudiwe. VAR. Irudiwe isirudiwe. Irudiwe isirudiwe. Irudiwe isirudiwe. Irudiwe isirudiwe. Sawa, judges, we'll give you your time. Mupige mahesabu alafu mutatuambia tunaendelea aje, si ndio? Si mumeona wamekataa? But you are the professionals and we respect your judgment. Take your time, think about it, mutuambie kunaendeleaje, tuambie watu wetu ama ni aje? Sawa basi.
Haya.
In the meantime,
taka tuangalie kwenye screen.
Rube, nipe screen.
All the way from the shores of Lake Victoria, Kisumu. All the way from the shores of Lake Victoria, Kisumu. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy came to the city to try out life. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the screen. Are you ready for Majembe? Hapana. DJ, shikilia. All the way from Migori County. All the way from Migori County. Next to the shores of Lake Victoria. Are you ready for Mbavu? Sema. Ladies and gentlemen, remember we are live on Mbavu Destroyer. Mbavu Destroyer amefika. Mbavu Destroyer amefika. Mbavu Destroyer amefika. Look at the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, check your screen. Check your screen. One time.
Girl a new position every time me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Babu Destroyer, Majembe, wanaingia ndani ya building. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. Wapi kelele, 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 kelele.
Geuka nikubang, geuka nikubang, geuka nikubang, geuka nikubang. New position, new position, new position, girl a new position, new position, new position, new position, girl a new position. Megizima, shabuda cheza na nari ati, buda cheza na nari. Megizima, shabuda cheza na nari ati, buda cheza na nari. Rada rada nigani, tuingie ndani, tumisi bade mina jua uko oni, janja du.
One time.
Ganja famanya wale wajanja. Kushoto kulia wanatora na masamba. Wanatora na masamba.
Don't go, I'm Kujain. That my number, I'm Vutain.
One time.
Kama ni nyama, I'm Wekain.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on Obina TV. We are live on Obina TV Live. So check out. We will also be live on Mad Fun. Alright?
I said tonight we are dunda.
Tonight.
I said my girl we are dunda.
Watu wa Mbavu Destroyer. Watu wa Mbavu Destroyer. Check his screen, check his screen. Look at the screen. Wale wanataka Mbavu. Wale wanataka Mbavu. Remember, we are here courtesy of Obina TV Studios, CJ's, Techno, USN, RFH Healthcare. Thank you very much, Rufus, and for making this happen tonight, okay? Remember, we are live on Obina TV Studios, nowhere else. And of course, the last fight will be live on Mad Fun. So go log into Mad Fun right now, buy and watch. All right. One time. Mbavu Destroyer. Mbavu Destroyer. Check his screen.
The Dark Child.
Steve. Boca dopa. Stona kosi nako juu ya dimanga shikama kuna vile tutakaziana ni headbutt nilimkataka ni point na panga kona yangu naona tukikatiana ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro.
Ladies and gentlemen,
staki ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro kujikasido kasindom nafanya na float siko na tianka ingia chinje pake kama bob ezikafanya ni change one never me najua kushina wase sanse na mpes kadhani ni stage chinja maliza ule Sinafina ndani space mwere screen clear lazima itoshe mwere chizia chana na ea ende niko soba nasikia lakini sikuwa nasikia poa nikianza kukuona kusalika wakutuona wanajiondoa tudu cheki ngoge koshanda kutoa sini maputa Boka dogo venye na waviu angolia side mirror kakilori nimejibebe majicho.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Mbavu, Team Majembe, everyone is in the building. So naomba kila mtu akae chini, wale ambao wamesimama VIP, create space tafadhali. Let's continue. Tuendelee. Wale wamefika karibuni sana. Wale wamechelewa karibuni sana. Wale walifika mapema, thank you very much. This fight is brought to you by Obina TV Studios. And remember, we are live. All right? Check mic 1, 2. We are ready for the next fight, next bout. All right. Mbavu, Mbavu, Mbavu. Munasema babu? All right. Mbavu the Destroyer, Majembe, they are all in the building getting ready for the fight. And of course, I would like to call out the next bout. The following fight is scheduled for 4 rounds and is a super middleweight. This is bout number 7 before we start going to serious business. Ladies and gentlemen, weighing 78.40 kilograms, Samuel Mufasa. All right. Huyo ni Mbavu. All right. Mbavu. Mbavu. Team Mbavu. Sura ngumu. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Mbavu. 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 Wow. You cannot make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot make this stuff up. That's why we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is OD. This is Obina TV Studios. We are live right now. So get on, log into Mad Fun and get your tickets for the final fight. All right. Mbavu Destroyer getting ready, settling down. All right. All right, let them settle down so that I call the next fight.